The world as we know it is becoming more unsafe as each day passes by. The threat in question is not as a result of violence or insecurity but as a result of what many have no adequate information with which to protect themselves. The coronavirus has within a very small space of time earned the reputation of being a global pandemic, bringing down world economic powers to their knees and cutting short human life it comes across. From China to Italy, France, United Kingdom, Germany, Iran and United States to mention a few have felt the gruesome impact of the virus, and this is visible for all to see. Yet, analysts suggest this is nothing compared to what's to come. With a cure not in sight, the world is gearing up for an economic recession which would in many ways amplify the impact of the coronavirus. Imagine a world where you are weak, sick and helpless with no one to lend you a helping hand because everyone is going through same thing as you. Imagine a world where the highest of money you know today is useless and can get you the basic things like toiletries and food. Imagine a world with no economic activities. Imagine the world you know as of today in a shadow of itself. This only gives you the smallest idea of how grievous the world's situation is. What's the way forward? It is true that the spread of the virus can be curtailed by washing one's hands with soap, sanitizing and disinfecting one's hands and environment, wearing face mask and avoiding contact with infected persons. The ignored truth is it takes more than these regular routine to survive the coronavirus, which is why we are presenting to you the ultimate survival pack, how to survive and how to stay fit and healthy. This is being put together by virologists and other experts from different fields of medicine, and it promises to expose to you secrets to how you can boost your immunity, survive the coronavirus, survive any natural calamity, how to stay healthy and stay in shape in the eventuality of a lockdown, how to achieve accelerated mental health, etc. Don't die in ignorance. Click the link in the description to claim your spot. Limited spots are available. Please subscribe, like and share to help keep others alive. Please stay safe.